we have division of integers. First, we have to check the signs. Before 24, we don't have any sign. It means first number is positive, the second is negative. When we divide positive by negative, the answer is negative. It's the same rule like for multiplication of two numbers, which one is negative. The same is with division. When one of number which we divide is negative, the answer is negative. So can be negative divided by positive. The answer will be negative. And now we have the same, because positive divided by negative give me negative sign, and now I have to just divide 24 by 4. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the answer is negative 6. Next example, you have 0 divided by negative 2. Dividend is 0 and divisor is not 0, it's negative 2. So the answer will be 0. Doesn't matter what we have here. If this number is different than 0 and dividend is 0, the answer is always 0. We don't have to check the sign. When dividend is 0 and divisor is different than 0, the answer is always 0. Last example, we have negative number, negative 5 divided by 1. Negative divided by positive. Negative divided by positive give me negative sign. And I have 5 divided by 1. So negative sign we have to rewrite. 5 divided by 1 is 5. So the answer is negative 5. This is my solution.